Suppose, you go to a shop to buy an electric light. The shopkeeper presents an electric light and say this bulb is 25 times brighter than a candle. You tell him that how can you justify your claim? The shopkeeper lights up but you say that you need solid proof. By finding no answer, the shopkeeper tells you that if you can prove that he is wrong then he'll return his electric light and will give you $100 as gift. You want a day to prove that and you pay half for that electric light as a safety money. The shopkeeper accepts your offer. Wanna know how can you prove your claim? Then watch this video. Our eyes are not a good judge of the brightness of light. Because when a light became brighter than normal, our eyes auto-adjust our pupils to reduce excess brightness to protect ourselves. So we should make something different to measure it. First we need number 1. An electric light holder and candle stand of same height. Number 2. A reflector. 3. One white paper of this shape and another is this shape. 4. A meter ruler. Let's begin. First put the reflector in a paper stand. Then put the circle-shaped paper before reflector in a distance suppose 25 cm before and put this hollow circle-shaped paper 25 cm after. However, 25 cm is not important. You can place this 2 stands in any equal distance from reflector. Now, set candle stand 1 meter before from this reflector. And set electric light 5 meter after reflector stand. Now, before lights up, let's remember a formula about the relation between light intensity and distance. We know intensity equal inverse square of distance, or I equal 1 by d square, or d square equal 1 by I square. According to shopkeeper, 25 candle equal 1 light bulb, or 1 candle equal 1 by 25 light bulb. So, at 5 meter distance, electric light shows intensity equal 1 by 5 square equal 1 by 25, same as the intensity of 1 candle. So, if at 5 meter distance the electric light shows same light intensity like a candle from 1 meter from a reflector, then, this light has a intensity equal 25 candles. Now, let's check out lights up the electric light and candle. Now see, the reflection of candle surrounded by light's reflection. Let's use our eyes. If both reflections are in equal intensities, then, the electric light has really a brightness of 25 candles. But if outer brightness is less than inner, let's move electric light nearer to the reflector. After 1 meter nearer to the reflector the electric light stands now in 4 meters from reflector. Now you find that the brightness are equal. So now you understand that the electric light brightness is not brighter than 25 candles. Rather, it is brighter than 16 candles. Let's do this same procedure in front of the shopkeeper next day, or shows your experimental video to the shopkeeper and get your $100 gift. But let's consider that the shopkeeper don't know the intensity formula. And don't believe this formula. Then you have to do a little bit of modification in your experiment. Let's replace 1 candle with 25 candles and reduces distance of electric light from 5 meters to 1 meter from reflector. And say the shopkeeper that, let's watch. I said both the 25 candles stand and light stand at the same distance from reflector. That's why it should show same brightness. But it's not. Then remove 9 candles and make the amount of candles 16. Now, show him that the brightness are equal in both sides. I think this time you can convince him and get your gift. That's all for today. See you in the next video.